In this video, patalan sa inyo paano nyo mababayaran ng inyong SPayLater ng inyong Shopee online. Alright, so from here sa inyong Shopee application, punta lang kayo dito sa Me. Ayan yung face or yung body icon, no, sa lower right corner. And then dito kayo mapupunta, may makita kayo to pay, to ship, to receive. Baba kayo ng konti sa financial services, SPayLater. Okay? And then from there, ito yung makikita ninyo. And yung current bill to pay na makikita din ninyo. Okay? So click nyo lang yung pay bill. And then from the pay bill, ito naman makikita ninyo. Right? So due date, yung amount, and then all you need to do is click pay now. If you want ng ibang way to pay this, you can also delay it further, no? Convert it into installment. Pwede rin, no? But for this video, pay now lang tayo. And then from here, and amount to pay, ang masasuggest ko lang, no, huwag kayong mag-subscribe. Kasi pag mag-subscribe kayo, mas malaki yung fee. Alright, so turuan ko kayo paano kayo makakapagbayad na mas maliit yung fee. Alright, so from here, 2683, proceed to pay. And then, ito yung piliin ninyo, InstaPay. Okay, enjoy free and instant repayment with GCash. Kasi pag yung iba, no, pag let's say may Shopee Pay balance kayo, nag-auto pay kayo, malaki yung fee niyan. Alright, and also yung payment center, e-wallet, other mode of payment, malaki, no? Pero pag InstaPay, very easy lang naman, no? Manual siya, pero at least you can save some. Then, pag click nyo yan, pay now. Yan. So from here, summary ng babayaran and the QR code, you can either pay it with by scanning this QR code, or you can save it, no? Save QR lang natin, and then ito na nga, no, QR code, and then from here, repayment result, wala pa, hindi pa natin siya binabayaran. And then punta tayo sa GCash natin. From our GCash, from the dashboard, click nyo lang yung QR, and then yung upload QR. Okay, so yung upload QR na yan, pupunta kayo, i-upload nyo lang yung QR na pinakita natin kanina, no? Ito yan. And then once na upload nyo na yan, automatic yan kung magkano yung babayaran ninyo. Okay, so from there, pag clinic nyo tong pay, ito na yan, summary, and then done na. Okay, so as you can see, wala kang binayarang fee, walang convenience fee, walang interest, etc. Okay, so free, and mabilis lang din naman, no? So very fast lang. And that's it on how we can pay our SPayLater online using GCash. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.